For this video, we will be finding the locus of points given some stipulations. So we see here, find the locus of points such that the line segment from any of the points to -3, 0 is perpendicular to the line segment from that point to 3, 0. So now there's several ways to look at this. One thing we could do is start drawing line segments that have right angles. We could do that. Now you might be wondering, how do you know where to put these things? Well, if you remember way back to geometry, you will remember that any inscribed angle in a circle that intercepts a diameter has an angle of 90 degrees. So any one of these will be 90 degrees. Let's put everything back up for a second. It makes a circle. So now let's just take one of them. If you remember from geometry, the intercepted arc of a circle is half the measure of the arc. If we intercept a diameter, it's 180, half of that is 90. So this is going to be a circle. Now let's say that you don't remember that, because if you do, this thing is really easy. It is the circle centered at 0 with a radius of 3. Let's assume that you do not. Okay, so let's do M1 and M2. Then M1 equals y minus 0 over x minus -3 or x plus 3. M2 equals y minus 0 over x minus 3. So now we know that M1 must be the opposite reciprocal of M2. So y over x plus 3 equals negative, reciprocal right here, x minus 3 over y. Let us clear the fractions. So y comes over here. Well, that's y squared. And then we have negative x minus 3, x plus 3. So then y squared equals negative, multiplying these together, we get x squared minus 9. Therefore, y squared equals negative x squared plus 9. Bringing the x over, we get x squared plus y squared equals 9. That's how you do it from algebra. Another way you could have done it is remembering that if you intercept a diameter with an inscribed angle from a circle, no matter where it hits, that is a 90-degree angle. I don't recommend doing it that way because it's a heuristic and it's if you happen to remember it, but just things you can use from your geometry knowledge from the past to help you in the present.